Here's the latest Monte Carlo in it. Unique Specialty and Classics, 1972. This particular car is originally a covert tan car, which appears to be pretty close to the color that it is now. Has had a repaint along the way. It's powered by a 350 underneath the hood. Nicely equipped car too. Power steering, power brakes, AC. I did have the car running a little earlier. Checked a few things on it. The AC compressor did turn on and off. AM radio in it. Radio worked fine. Pretty solid, straight car. Also has the light tan or covert colored interior. I believe the interior has been reupholstered along the way because of the pattern and the material. I don't believe this would have came with that. Riding on the Rally Chevy wheels with beauty rings and center caps. If you want to check out the interior pics and under the hood, underside of the car, check out the interior pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link you can also click on. That'll take you right to the pictures. Feel free to call us too if you got any question on this. 507-386-1726. 350 is paired with a automatic transmission. Was originally a A52 code car, so it would be a bench seat car, which it still has to this day. Means the shifter's on the column. As you can see, the interior is in nice shape, but I don't believe that would have been the original pattern cloth that would have came with this. See, the dash is also in nice shape, pretty much all stock on the interior. As far as the dash and steering column, all of that goes. Look up and down the car. Paint's in nice shape. Car's straight. For this long a car, it'll show it. If it's not, the paint's not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. I'd call it a nice driver quality paint. Tell you what, the early 70s to 80 Monte Carlos, kind of the same thing with the Camaros. Early 70s to 80s. Camaros really kind of stepping up to be those next collectors. I think the guys from my generation that were kind of grew up around these and had them in high school, starting to get in the market and want something like they had in their high school years. So kind of seems like these are starting to take off a little bit, especially nice driver quality ones. Again, take a look up and down the driver's side of this car. Again, not full of nicks, scratches, dings. So the vinyl top is in nice shape. A little focus problem before. Let me get up here and show it to you. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with the transportation to where you're located at. Number to call, 507-386-1726. Like to chat about this car, or look down in the description below this video. Click on the link, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's go ahead, pop the door open, check out this interior a little bit closer. Door card's in nice shape. As you can see, power windows. Check out the headliner. Also in nice shape. That is not a rip or anything right there, right here. It's actually the shoulder belt. Just so you know, you can see it on that side. Would have the shoulder belts and the lap belts in 1972. Let's go ahead and start this up. See how easily it starts. Check out the gauges. Fuel gauge works. Clock does not. Like I said, the radio did power up, and I did have a station tuned in there. You can hear the compressor kick on here. See if you can hear it in the car. Yeah, there you can see it brings the idle down a little bit. So the compressor is kicking on and off on the AC. Again, you can see the dash is in nice shape. Nice running 350 under the hood. Nothing crazy either. No aftermarket exhaust, anything like that. Just the way you'd expect it to sound when you rolled off the Chevrolet dealer's showroom floor in 1972. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second so I can open this rather large heavy hood, and let's take a look at what's underneath there. All right, there's a 350 V8 under the hood. As you can see, like I said, power steering, AC, power brakes. Everything, like I said, just kind of stock the way you would expect it to be. 1972. Hood liner's not even in that bad a shape. There you have it. Chevrolet Monte Carlo. 1972 vintage, power steering, power brakes, AC. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. Down below this video, click on the link, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can assist getting this car to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.